Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can animate a slide in PowerPoint like this. For example, this is just one slide, so you can animate this manually. So all you have to do first is create this one. You can create a square like this from shape here, rectangle shape, and try to color it as you wish. And then don't forget to use this small the small box, same with this small square, and try to attach with the try to attach with the big square. Yeah, let's remove the word first, and this is the box I mentioned before. So attach it, and then put the word here, put the text here, and you can try to create one by one. For each square you can give animations, line animations here. And don't forget to add duration 2 seconds. And after that, after you finish make all the squares, you can click on the first slide and use animation pane here. So there is a line here, if you notice it. This one, start with one click, and it should be like this: one click, slide, one click, and slides. So the content is as you wish, but you can try to use this content. So feel free to try to design or animated slide in this PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.